Navigating HeinOnline for the Advanced Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. HeinOnline has a universal search box at the top of the homepage, but you will get better results if you first pick the database most likely to contain the information you are seeking. While you can browse databases by name, I find it more convenient to browse by category since I don't always remember the database names exactly. For example, if we're looking for federal administrative decisions, I know that is U.S. federal content. Not seeing anything under administrative or even federal, I scroll to the bottom to find U.S. Federal Agency Documents, Decisions, and Appeals. Clicking that link opens a box allowing us to just enter the database or to go to a specific page in that database. Let's start with the database homepage. This allows us to browse through all 2002 titles in this database. Since we are looking for decisions of the Federal Trade Commission, I have clicked the letter F to jump to that part of the alphabet. Scrolling down, we can see a number of titles that start with the words Federal Trade Commission, including Federal Trade Commission Decisions, which we can see is 173 volumes. Because it's sometimes unclear exactly how a title will read, for example, is it Decisions of the Federal Trade Commission or Federal Trade Commission Decisions, it is sometimes easier to browse by agency, which was one of our initial link choices from the list of databases. Linking to the FTC, we get a list of all the titles in this database from that agency. Again, scrolling down, we can find the 173 volumes of Federal Trade Commission decisions. Clicking on that link, we get an expandable list of all the volumes in that set. If you already have a citation, one of the easiest ways to get to something in HeinOnline is to use the Citation Navigator. These are customized for the various databases in HeinOnline. Many use the format we see here, a box for the volume number, a pull-down menu for the abbreviation of the name of the set of books you are looking for, and another box for you to type in the page number. Once you click Get Citation, you are taken to a PDF image of the citation you entered. On the left is an interactive table of contents. Above the page are a variety of icons. In the center, surrounded by a page forward and a page backward arrow, is a pull-down menu of the pages in this volume that allow you to jump to any desired page. For example, if we want to go to the opinion on page 201, we can click on the caret sign and scroll down to page 201, which takes us directly to the page we selected.